Hey everybody, welcome back. We're going to play through I'm Yours by Jason Mraz. Top to bottom here. Key of C, pop progression, swing strum. If you need to review anything from the tutorial, the link is below. Let's dive right in here. 1, 2, 1, 2, here we go. Done me, you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back before the cool done run out. I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Verse 2. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. Look into your heart and you will find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment. People dance and sing. We're just one big family. It's our God-forsaken right to be loved, love, 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 love. 5, 6, 7, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This cannot wait. I'm yours. Do 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 do. Do you want to come? Scooch on over closer, dear. I will nibble your ear. Do ba do ba do ba do. Whoa, whoa, oh, 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 oh. I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror, bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer, but my breath fogged up the glass, so I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess what I'd be saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. Look into your heart and you will find the sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need to complicate, 'cause our time is short. This or this or this is our fate. I'm yours. Yes, thank you so much for joining me, singing such a great, great tune. Really appreciate it. Feel free to go back, play with me, practice with me anytime you need. You can slow it down by clicking on the settings wheel there, playback speed, slow that down for yourself if you need. Leave out the strumming just to focus on the chords. Leave out the chords just to focus on the strumming. leave out all the playing just to figure out how to sing all those lyrics. They're so much fun to sing, but it takes a while until they get kind of into your mouth there. So thanks again for joining me. Enjoy your practice and see you next time. One more quick thing. If this video was helpful to you, I encourage you to consider becoming a member. It's a great way to say thank you, to help keep this channel going, and also to enjoy some extra perks and resources on your musical journey. You can learn more by clicking join below next to the subscribe button, and I really appreciate the support. Thank you so much.